The world's water resources are rapidly depleting and polluted. However, with the increasing world population and developing industry, the demand for water increases. 6 billion people are expected to suffer from access to clean water by 2050. And this is just one of those scary predictions.
Hello, we are Kaan UZ
and Semih.
We both studying at Aydın Science High School, and we both want to do something about these global water issues.
We wanted to do this in an integrated way with technology. However, this was a big problem and we needed to narrow our focuses. But how?
We started to do research to better understand the problem. We read up-to-date news and reviewed dozens of articles and reports. As a result of our work, we were more familiar with the subject then.
We chose to work on household consumption. Then we thought it was possible to reduce household use through awareness. The basic system we thought of to achieve this was to categorize water uses and access the information through a mobile application. Then we said, how can we do this model stronger? Can we ensure that water use is clearly limited? Then we thought we can do this with a water pressure reducer system. The idea of the mobile app, water meters, and the pressure reducer was formed. However, there were many different ways to do that, and there were a lot of questions in our minds. So we started searching and thinking to answer them.
We evaluated different ideas that came to mind. We have determined what the water meter pressure reducer will look like, with which materials it will be made, and what kind of principle it will work. Likewise, we created the design of the mobile application in this process.
Due to coronavirus, we continued all phases of project online from the beginning to end. During this process that lasted for months, we organized at least one meeting every week and shared our work with each other. And finally, we knew what to do. We started to create the hardware part of the project by providing the necessary materials over the internet. At the same time, we started to create the codes for the model. Of course, creating the model was not as clear as on paper.
We tried every part we did over and over again. And then we created the model we wanted with the development in the construction phase.
Let me explain how does it work. Consider a home plumbing. First of all, the water comes through the main pipe. Then it's divided into different pipes and used here. We connect our pressure reducer system to the main pipe. Then we attach our smart water meters to the different pipes going. The beauty here is that the more sophisticated viewing you want, more water meters you can use. Devices transfer the usage data to the database. Later, the mobile application captures this data But before going into the mobile application, let's see parts so far through our prototype.
As you can see, the main pipe is connected to the pressure reducer first. It is then divided into different pipes representing the bathroom and the kitchen, passing then flowing through smart water meters. We tested this system at different times with measured buckets, and it works.
Let's go back to the mobile application. While the graphic at the bottom shows how much water we use during the month, we can see the billing fee and liter amount of this usage in the upper part. These fees are different in every city in our country, so you can choose your province in order to see the right fee. In this graph, we can see how much of our use is in bathroom and how much is in the kitchen. But as we said, this information can be detailed as the number of devices increases. Now let's enter the usage limit in order to control the pressure reducer automatically through the application. We can enter this limit in terms of money and liters. When the water usage reaches this limit, the pressure reducer will be activated automatically. When the smart water pressure reducer is activated on mobile application, the signal goes to the pressure reducer through the database. This device lowers the overall water pressure, thus it helps you to limit your water use. We believe that this model can create a strong win-win situation. Water use of household can be reduced by awareness and water limitation. This will contribute to the household economy.
Countries will be able to transfer their water budgets to other places. And most importantly, this model will be contribute to protection of world water resources.
Our main goal is to use this model in all over the world.
Thank you!